Hi, this is John from NYC. Today, gonna cook this pork belly, cut up somewhat small size, and with a new recipe, which is involved with the ramen soup powder. First, you cook this in a non-sticking pot, okay, with the lid closed until it's almost cooked. Um, it will take about 15 to 20 minutes on about medium strength on fire. Let me put this whole other way. The ramen soup powder that we are going to use is from Korean Shin Ramen. Well, that's the seasoning powder. Okay. By the way, about 15 minutes has passed. See, you open the ramen and you take out the soup powders. This is a vegetable and this is a powder. Okay, that's the one we are going to use. It should be a lot of water in there. You open the packet, you put the whole thing in there. And also, you gotta add about 1 tablespoon of sugar. Well, I don't know what other utensils you guys have to stir this. I like to use a chopstick. A lot of meat has been like stuck together, but that's not the issue. It shouldn't be a big problem. There's a lot of water in there. It's just all that water from the meat itself. I didn't add any water, oil, or anything like that. By the way, as the meat get cooked, it like to stick together. Another reason I like to use a chopstick, you can separate the meat easily, for me, at least. And now, on a continue with the medium strength fire. You stir fry this, pretty much. You don't have to mix like I am. not too often anyway. Ooh, this is nothing, mostly fat. Wow, interesting. Anyways, until all that is gone, all the water is gone. You will mix the things around, meat around in the pot. Make sure all the seasoning get into the meat evenly every few minutes. This is the recipe I've tried recently, thinking that, hey, what if I use the ramen seasoning for the meat and what it will taste like? And when I tested it, it's pretty good. So I decided to share this with you guys. Oh man, it smells good already. Okay, now, as you guys notice, like water is gone. It's just mostly the oil from the pork. Since it's a pork belly, it's gonna have a lot of oil coming out. But it is cooked completely. The reason I put the ramen soup powder and also added sugar, uh, it will the all that seasoning will stick to the pork better. Since the pork belly has a lot of grease, and if you don't add the sugar, it doesn't stick to the pork all that great. So that's the reason. So this is all ready to eat. Try this. Okay, this is pretty well cooked. All the seasoning is pretty well stick to the meat. For the people who doesn't like the fat, like this, you guys can separate them. As personally, I really don't care for it. But anyways, this is a new recipe I came up with. It has a bit of spice, as you guys know. That Shin ramen is known for the pretty decent spice. Also added sugar, so it has a little bit of sweetness. So you don't need to add any salt in this because the soup powder itself has the some salt in it. So that'll be it, guys. I'm going to eat this with some rice. I think that'll be great. Anyways, this is a new recipe I came out with, and it came out pretty good. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like my video, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. That'll be great. Till next time. Bye.